Talabani, and all distinguished guests here with us today. On behalf of the United States Consulate General, it is my honor
to welcome you to the inauguration of our new consulate compound.
Today marks a significant milestone in the enduring partnership between the United States and the Iraqi Kurdistan region. We are grateful for your presence as we celebrate this new chapter together. To begin our ceremony, please rise and remain standing for the presentation of colors and remain standing for the national anthems.